The STL map class provides an ordered set of key value pairs like an associative or hashed array. Here I have a working copy of map.cpp from chapter 10 of the exercise files. The data in a map container is organized in pairs. The first is the key value and the second is the mapped value, and the map is ordered by key. So here we have a map of strings. I'm initializing it from this initializer list, and you'll notice that my initializer list is nested, that I'm initializing both first and second, the key and the value in each of these elements. So I have 4 elements, and each of these 4 elements has 2 elements. And so I'm going to build and run, and you see up here at the top, I'm going to get some values, and I'm using some different methods to get the values here. You can access the values with the subscript operator, as here in line 15. You can use the @ method, which works exactly like the subscript operator, or you can use the find method, which actually returns the pair. And it actually returns rather an iterator. And that iterator accesses each element of the map as a pair. And so you remember that iterators are accessed as if they're pointers, so I get that second through this pointer dereference operator, the dash right angle bracket. And I could also get first, although I know first because I'm searching for first. And now I'll loop through the map. It says set here, but should say map. And you'll notice that I get all of these in alphabetical order by the key: Ellen, George, Ruth, and Spike. I can insert an element with insert, and again, notice my curly braces because I'm inserting a pair. And now our size is 5. And as I loop through, I now have 5 elements, and they're in alphabetical order still. So you notice that Luke is between George and Ruth. If I try to insert a duplicate, you'll notice that the duplicate fails because I'm trying to insert something that's already there. If instead I try to insert one that's not there, and when I build and run, you see now my size is 6 and it succeeded. And of course I go first because my name is Bill. I'll put it back here and build and run. And so the insert returns a pair, and the first element is the iterator to either the new element or the element that was matched if it failed due to a duplicate. And the second is a bool that's for success. And so you see that I'm testing it there, just like in set. Now, if we want to erase an element, we first find it and we take that iterator and we use that iterator to erase. And so I'm going to erase Spike. I search for Spike, and then I erase Spike, and now our size is 4 and Spike is not in there anymore. So the map class provides a sorted set of key value pairs. This is like an associative or hashed array in other languages. This can be very useful in keeping track of key value relationships like username or other database keys.